How to use emotions to increase manifesting power. Did you know that your emotions influence your ability to manifest using the law of attraction? Simply put, your emotions broadcast a type of information. This information vibrates in your field as a frequency. When your emotions are out of sync with what you aim to create, you will find yourself wanting rather than receiving. I want to show you how you can utilize the power of your emotions to improve your manifesting skills. How to use emotions to increase manifesting power. Depending on how you feel as you focus to manifest anything, whether it's a romantic relationship or a new job, your signal strength to the universe will increase or decrease depending on the intensity and nature of your emotion. When I say signal strength, I'm talking about the message you're sending to the universe through your morphic field, which is a field of quantum engagement. Emotions such as fear and authentic gratitude distinguish themselves as having the power to boost or reduce your signal strength. How you can boost your manifesting power. Starting today, the type and quality of your emotion must be in sync with what you aim to manifest. Let's say that fear vibrates at a frequency of 1, and gratitude vibrates at a frequency of 10. For example, let's say Rebecca wanted to get out of a bad relationship and get into a good relationship. Rebecca's bad relationship is probably at a frequency of 1 or 2, while her ideal relationship is at a 9 or a 10. For Rebecca to boost her manifesting powers, she needs to put herself into a state of deep gratitude for her experience of the bad relationship and the amazing rewarding relationship which she knows will soon embrace her. However, if Rebecca is stuck on the emotional energy, fear and anger surrounding her current relationship, her attempts to manifest a new and improved one will be cancelled out. How you can boost your manifesting power. Step 1. Stop being angry and put yourself into a state of deep gratitude for what has been and the gifts it brought. Step 2. Switch from wanting that new relationship to the gratitude and awe of resonating into the experience of living a life where your dreams become manifest. Doing this will greatly enhance your ability to attract what you want out of life. I invite you to read more about how you can improve your morphic resonance for a life of prosperity and authentic wealth in the free online course, Jumpstart Your Wealth Gene. For more details, click on the link below the video.